Hey guys, if your Chai app isn't working because of a region restriction, don't worry, this happens in some countries due to high server costs. Here's what you can do. Upgrade to Chai Premium. This is the easiest way to bypass the region limit. Next, install an older version of the app. On iOS, go to App Store, your profile, purchase, Chai, and try downloading an older version. On Android, you can install an older APK from a trusted source. Try a VPN. It doesn't always work, but some people get lucky. If nothing works, you can switch to similar apps like Character AI. That's it, quick and simple ways to get Chai working again. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.